Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iOS widgets on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and search iOS widgets. Now just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now just tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on continue. Now just download any widget from here. Like I will download this one. Just tap on OK. Now just tap on get theme. Now tap on widgets. And from here just select the widget you want to download. I will select this one. Now just tap on add widget. Now tap on start. Now tap on next and tap on got it. Now just download any other widget you like. I will select the other one. Now once you have done that, just tap on allow. Now just tap on while using the app. Now just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen and tap on widgets. Now just scroll down and tap on color widgets. Now just select any widget from here. Just drag the widget right here and tap on the widget to apply a widget. Now just select the widget we have just downloaded. Now as you can see, we have successfully applied this widget on our home screen. Now to apply the other widget, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Now from here, just tap on widgets. Now scroll down and tap on color widgets. Now just select a widget style you like and drag it to your home screen. Now just tap on the widget. Now just select the widget we have just added. And this is how you can get iOS widgets on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.